Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to install Tor browser on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on search icon from the bottom side. Then click on search apps and game and type in Tor browser. So click on search and you'll be taken right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. So as at the time of making this video, 10 million plus have been successfully downloaded and used this browser on Android phone. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on install right here. After a successful download and install Tor browser, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open right here. It's going to open up like so. Always connect automatically. Make sure this is on. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on continue. Then click on cancel right here. Explore privately. You have successfully connected and you are good to go. You can start browsing with it without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you